to lead the interact.
It's okay because nobody stick with that. Our guy.
Meeting done. I will know what we are doing.
Big two majors arriving.
Abaribe.
I told him I should.
Yes. They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is one of the years. We started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Thursday last week.
Was it built on the canal?
No.
No.
Not at all. No, not at all.
Well, we can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough. Maybe.
Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of the canal. Oscar Odogu. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings. It's very clear.
I know that they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
We did the embankment ourselves.
Yes. Government should do the embankment.
Exactly.
They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
The incoming governor. The incoming governor.
We moved on.
This building is condemned by their own action.
By their own action.
This should go down.
I see the Balogun president has supported to go to the
The Ajolu Fabi Alubundala. One of the Ajolu Halu. You can see to yourself the sitting president Senate with the good and Igbo.
Wash your back. Wash your back.
They leveled this building down. Two-story building, they pull it down.
Look at the gap. The gap to canal.
So all this thing went down. All this line. There is a new construction.
Yes. No. They brought it down.
They brought it down.
Yes, completely.
Yes, sir.
No, okay. No. If there is another way, let's use another. Let's not put it.
If I know Panobo started, if one mother, I draw long the Lagos State, they are low, not trade fair. Makanaga, what Jolo can be alone. When I would kind of name me, how Rajolo, I depend that I disgrace. I want the Bonebe, in the Bumunaya Geponante, in our sitting senator, Victor Ume, Ojukwana Bobia, with the Okutendibo. HE, Peter Obi, Adiano, where here in the Bojibri, Abaribe Nokia, not to Tondozi.
They're puncturing for the back. Yes.
Yeah. One of the Ajolo had the alo.
Tola, let's go.
We are still going.
Yes.
Man of fire now, just now. Let him be more. Shift the motor.
Hey, carry photo, come on.
Hey,
go back.
Who gave this motor?
They will come.
Yes.
Look at them.
Yes, this road will block through.
They know. They are doing that. Honorable.
Let's move.
There's another build here. Plenty. Okay, but when I can't get media service here, they were there on the enemy star. Here in the people, you bring the Cabia, and I know that woman never. Magandi na de make on the coup. Ni buen one name, ni buen one name, ni buen one resident, one ni buen resident, ni buen one name. Magandi menu was started from Nanya. HEP no life na trade fair. Victor me no life na trade fair. Abaribe no life na trade fair. Under ya boy kundi Igbo genti acha no. The incoming governor of Lagos State under the Labour Party on na trade fair. Our president Honorable, ịkwụ n'ọkụ kwụsị ike. Shit adịrọ. Ebe anyị ga-echekwa ebe ndị obodo abịa alụ ajọ ọlụ. Ebe ndị obodo alụrụ ajọ ọlụ. Ebe alụrụ ajọ ọlụ. Alesi anya na fewere ji eje n'ọfịa jee goru ndị Igbo develop hechigakwa. One of the ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo alụrụ. Na-ebi ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ. No verse, yeah? Oh, the ajọ ọlụ. One of the ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ dị ya. Ina na-efu na mbata bụ Honorable Ngozi Chukwuka Emechebe nyanwa na-eledi the Emperor mmiri ọma na-ekwu Sentino the President Flowers na akụ nwafọ Oscar Odogwu Board.
President, there is in Kenya for this one. No reason. On a canal.
No building here without approval from management board.
Do you have copies to show the media now?
Already I have shown you yesterday. We have copies. We would like to have the copies. We'll give it to you.
No, yeah, because we have to do and then of course get the federal government to react because they themselves are the owners of this.
Yes.
Not the state government, not the state government.
The people who demolished it are from Lagos state government. Yes. Not from the commissioner from the federal government. The commissioner of physical planning. Physical planning. Yes. Lagos state government. Lagos state.
So is that Obanekoro?
No, not Obanekoro.
Okay. Right?
Yeah. And they always took us on our way.
Did they write any letter?
Nothing.
No. Did not receive any communication from them before they came with their bulldozer.
No, they have done this before. There was a reference. Losma first came to this and blocked the whole gate. 7 days. We partnered with them and they released it, thinking that everything will be in order. Next is during the time of last year now, they really came here and met people, our task force, on their coming. The reaction when they saw that our task force was this, they shot the tire of the executive director.
Right.
And left.
Is it director of the Trade Management Board?
Yes.
They shot our tire.
They shot our tire. This time around,
What did the federal government do?
nothing.
Legend at the town hall.
This one they did, they brought the light.
Brought the lights.
The demolition.
That's why they demolished so many buildings.
Odogwu afọrọ nke. Atepe.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Yes.
Ajọ ọlụ ndị alụrụ ka na-emenekwa. Adres anyị. Adres. ka bụkwa dị ajọ ọrụ ndị alụrụ ka na-enene maka na
the same thing. They went inside. You can see that no Dubai will fly over there. So everything they went inside. They demonstrated everything.
They came in their lights. Just were like when they have already displayed their goods. This man may count a lot of losses. Another one down there.
Around.
Okay, Magnus.
Maybe he was around years ago. He was
Obi nwere ego ka Obi dị ka Obi anyagogo o gosi na ndị Igbo nwekwa mmadụ kwa maka ekwu na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ mana ihe metata gosi na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ.
Easy. Easy. Okay, boss.
Ogude the overfit. He's here. See to yourself. This is money. This power at least for us. Just let him hold on.
That's what they simply remove this one. I will approval from federal government before you build any simple thing. Thank you. Federal Minister of Work or Trade Complaint Management? Yeah. Trade Complaint Management. Yes. Yes. The Federal Minister of Work? Yes. They work on what?
Look, you are doing everything there through their own instruction. They are doing everything here through the instruction of management board because they are the executive office of the federal government that is here, which are here since 1977. Because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. Yes. And what happened now? We are confused. Where are these people since 1977 to today for is the 25th, which is about 8 years.
There hasn't been any legislation.
No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it.
Say what the management board say about this now.
Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any pre-notice that this thing is happening. But they said that they already invited the woman to come
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Lagos State.
They invited the woman in two occasions.
Who is woman? Please.
That is the executive director. Mrs. Vara.
So what's the permanent board?
Yes.
What's he saying about that?
He denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or rather to demolish anything without her pre-notice, they went ahead and marked the federal government ED office
In her presence.
Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about Mgbeke. He said you people they shot him on. Why are you
Yes.
And they shot someone on the leg too.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court. This thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they have not been determined before they come for this one. We're in court with
in court as they still came.
Yes.
They shot somebody.
They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the.
The Plowers president, Senti Baba, Signboard Nike, Inwekwaya. Okay, Kaisari. I'm going to know. I'm going to know. I'm going to know. Nwanne anyị na-aga ngarube ka ije gosigosi ndị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ HE Peter Obi with the Senator Victor Ume and Senator Abaribe. Ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo abịa alụ ndị gbanyesi ego niile ndị anyị ga-azụ abịa alụcha ụlọ fetikpo mgbanwe laa na-ele nara ego fetikpo etikpo.
Side is blocked. You can go this side. Huh? Let people can come like this. Okay, this side is blocked. Oh, yes. You are right.
Much traffic this side on this side.
Okay, then let's walk down and enter the vehicle.
So come here, so go to the management side.
In which kuna gota. Nego guy, they call me president.
Let the vehicles come. Let the vehicles come here. Let the vehicles come here. Hi, President.
They come in, Governor, and they see you. Bịa mmụọ
Go one side.
lụọ n'ọlụgụ si eso lụọ ọlụgụ Inwechukwu na-agwata secretary stakeholders president nọ n'azụ secretary stakeholders president deba agwa president deba
Hold on.
This one is leading. Let him be at the front.